Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I just wanted to show you 10 minutes basically in my car driving through traffic. Traffic seems to be so annoying these days, and this is just basically 10 minutes on the road. As you can see on the right, there's a Toyota Camry and another Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is just like your standard unkillable Toyota. Great little car. Everyone seems to have one who doesn't want to pay much money. It's kind of like if you can't afford a car, a Toyota Camry will be provided for you. Anyway, you got two people in Toyota Camrys, and as you can see, he's been indicating for quite some time, and he tries to move into that lane. The other Toyota Camry on the left doesn't want to let him in. I mean, there's nowhere to go. It's gridlock. It's not going to hurt anyone to let him in, not going to lose any time. But of course you can see it time and time again. It's like, why are you deliberately cutting me off? Oh, because I can. And what do the rules and regulations say? Well, courtesy and consideration. This bloke's been indicating for a long time. Now he goes to the point of, well, come on, crash into me then. Let's hold everybody up. Luckily, he was able to just duck in front of him there and kind of put him to shame. So basically, this is the type of attitude you've got to put up with all day, every day, getting cut off by people. You see the traffic on the road like this. This is Parramatta Road. This is what they call the varicose vein of Sydney, this road. But basically, it's bumper to bumper. People don't come to a complete stop. They come to a complete stop, then they move another metre. Then they move another metre. Here's another one. Okay, there's so many cars trying to get through here that okay, people are actually going to jump to the line and enter into the intersection even though it's not clear to go anywhere. And that's when you end up with this scenario. People in the intersection where you can't go anywhere. The car in front of me right now has actually come into my lane because there's a blue car in his lane. And look at the guy behind doing an illegal U-turn. Rather than just stay at the lights, where he should have stayed, and not enter the intersection, he's in the middle of my lane stopping me with 100 cars behind me, when if he had been a little bit more patient, me and the 100 cars behind me could have gone through on our green arrow. So just because he was cut off, he decides to go into the intersection and block even more people, and block oncoming traffic because somebody's blocking him. And what the moral of the whole story is that basically this is what you have to put up with. This is within a 10-minute period of being on the road. You spend hours on the road as a locksmith. Some of these drivers don't know the road rules, some of them don't know how to drive, and they're virtually like human cannonballs just aiming for you, or kamikaze you could say. Anyway, moral to the story is sometimes you just got to relax, take a deep breath, listen to some good music, and take your time and, avoid at all costs. Some of these people are literally out to just cause trouble, run into you, or, they'll crash you in a heartbeat if they're right. Doesn't matter that they're going to hold up everyone in peak hour traffic. They will cause a crash if they feel they're right. And half the time they're not right. They don't even know the road rules. Anyway, that's what you have to put up with as being an on-road locksmith. Thanks for watching. Put your comments down below if you got any comments. Thank you.